Welcome back to another episode of Come On Shop Disney. Really? I don't know specifically what is in this box. I know what is supposed to be in this box. Because this is really heavy and I don't know why. Let me preface with this. A few weeks ago, I pre-ordered the Mandalorian Baby Yoda with the egg canister Funko Pop. It's not supposed to be released for those that pre-ordered it until the end of December, beginning of January. But it was shipped out 2 days after I ordered it. Then when I received it, I got the packing slip, but what was in the box was somebody else's order. It still hasn't been released yet, but basically what they said was, too bad, so sad, we fulfilled your order. Now they gave me my money back, but they wouldn't put me back on the waiting list even though the order wasn't supposed to have been fulfilled. That said, let's get this box open and find out if I have the same situation here. Fingers crossed, because this feels really heavy. And I don't think this should be this heavy. Okay, I don't know what it looks like yet. We're gonna see it together. It's right. It's right. Oh my goodness. That was not what I was expecting. This is so heavy. Whew, okay. I got the right thing. Now I prefaced with that whole story because on Amazon, this is not supposed to be released until January 15th. But Shop Disney sent me mine. So awesome! And it didn't get screwed up. If you noticed though, this was in the box with this. This item was packaged in this big box with this as its only protection. But it's not damaged, so I'm calling this a win for me. And it actually came correctly. My order was fulfilled. So in the last 30 days-ish, I've had 4 different incidents of Shop Disney orders just getting completely screwed up. They haven't arrived, they're arriving wrong, they get lost, and usually the response is too bad, so sad. Order from us again, please. Have you had any Shop Disney issues lately? Have you been getting the wrong items? Have you been not getting your items? Did you pre-order this Funko? Let me know. Put it in the comments below. But until then, remember, no capes.